I bought a bike.
Diapers.
A hard drive for my computer.
2 button-down shirts.
Golf balls.
Shampoo.
Shoes.
Horse feed and hay.
A paintball gun.
Jeans.
Mattress.
Lumber.
Bananas.
Beer.
Rock band.
Shopping is easy, but stocking the nation's shelves and supplying our businesses is a complicated process. Every day, food, clothing, electronics, medicines, equipment, and materials travel throughout the country. Goods arrive by container ships, airplanes, rails, and they are delivered by trucks. Trucks move 70% of everything we buy, and trucks deliver goods to every city and town. For decades, truck transport has been efficient, a powerful engine for our economy and our way of life.
We're looking at an increase of nearly 20% in the tonnage over the next decade, and there's just no way that our current infrastructure can handle that.
We see freight increasing by 70% between 1998 and 2020, and only 3% more lane miles.
Americans are already losing 4 billion hours and nearly 3 billion gallons of fuel each year because of traffic congestion and freight bottlenecks.
It's estimated to cost about $87 billion a year to trucking.
There's problems with congestion.
Congestion.
How can a transportation system that was designed and built for freight movements from the 1950s support the freight movements of the 21st century?
Today, these problems are frustrating. They're also getting expensive.
From our customers' perspective, it obviously is being more productive vehicles, how we can move more product for the same price or a lesser price, or move it more effectively and more efficiently. In the end, you know, the price that we pay for a box of cereal is impacted by how many boxes of cereal can move on a trailer.
Unless we take action, our economy will come to a standstill. Clearly, the cost of doing nothing is unacceptable. But where do we begin?
We need to reach some common ground before we can move ahead.
Politicians are going to have to come together, and the industry groups are going to have to come together.
We got to work closer together.
Changing the mindset, thinking outside the box, and looking at a better mousetrap, if you will, a different way of doing it.
But change cannot wait. It's time to step up, take a clear look at reality, and find solutions. The good news? Smart solutions are out there, and good debate is underway.
For the United States, I believe the priority to improve fleet efficiencies really is the concept of dedicated truck lanes.
The most fundamental thing states need to do is add capacity to our highway system.
And I think we need to have a serious dialogue about expanded use of higher productivity vehicles. We have done research that shows that there are positive energy and emissions benefits. They also help us in terms of congestion.
LCVs, or long combination vehicles, work where you have open space, long distance travel, and legislators that are willing to even entertain the idea.
I think to improve freight efficiency, we really have to get beyond the mindset that this industry has of thinking about efficiency as miles per gallon. We really need to start thinking about how much freight we move per gallon of fuel.
Trying to optimize the transport task amongst the various modes, making sure that railways are well utilized, the road network is well utilized.
You know, I think that improving freight transportation efficiency is really essential, not just for the trucking industry, but for the economy as a whole.
Transportation efficiency is a complicated problem. Fixing it will take many solutions. We'll need it all: investments in infrastructure, new industry practices, and innovative technologies to ensure that freight moves safely and efficiently to families, businesses, and communities across the U.S. But we must start today if we want to keep moving tomorrow.